Mother's Day is just a couple days away, and if you haven't found the perfect gift, we might be able to help you out. Joining us live with some affordable last-minute gift ideas is lifestyle expert Nikia Nichelle. Good morning, Nikia.
Yes. Good morning, Tony. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. We're heading into a beautiful weekend. Now,
Yes.
let's start with this. You say you have something to help moms carve out some me time. That's important, right?
Yeah, oh, so important. Yes. So Little Big Playroom is the perfect way to distract the kiddies while mom is enjoying that me time that you mentioned. It has an elegant design. If you look at it, it fits in any space. And I love it because this is soft. It's luxuriously soft. And the balls that are in the pit are non-toxic materials. So it's going to encourage, the kiddies to play so mom can relax. And it also encourages movement, right? So the cover that it has is washable and durable. Now, moving on to baby yams, it is the perfect gift for those new moms and grandmoms. It is designed to swaddle with warmth, love, and tradition. Tatiana Ali is the founder of Baby Yams. She handcrafts each 100% cotton quilt for the perfect first snuggle. So I think it's really great. It creates a bonding moment, like an unforgettable bonding moment between mom and baby. And then each purchase is going to support maternal and reproductive health care. So moving on to the glass slipper. So this is for the mom who just really loves to lounge. This accessory is her outdoor entertainment hero. So it's going to stop wine or cocktail glasses from tipping. So it works beautifully on grass or soft surfaces, even sand. And it's perfect for the mom who just loves to host. It's ideal for like those beach days, barbecues, or poolside lounging. It's dishwasher safe and reusable, and you could use discount code Nikia for $5 off. And then Tony, the last one is Flovita. So it's going to be perfect for self-care for mom. It has all natural Ayurvedic ingredients. So you get a risk-free 2-month starter kit, 10% off with LA Moms 2025 now throughout Mother's Day. So all of these 4 products, really great to kind of give whatever unique mom that you have for Mother's Day.
Yeah, you have a little bit of everything for new moms, grandmoms, helping mom relax, some me time. I mean, where can moms go for even, or we go, I should say, because we're getting mom a gift. Where can we go for more gift ideas?
Yes, you could go to just the letter N life.com, and you could find all of these gifts to give mom for Mother's Day.
Wow. What is something that you're looking forward to for Sunday for Mother's Day for yourself?
Oh, well, to be honest with you, last year, I got engaged during Mother's Day.
Oh my gosh, congratulations.
I know. Thank you. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm celebrating with my fiance. We're having our engage-anniversary. And then mom, I'm going to stop by on Monday to give her the glass slipper.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah, right? It's so fun.
That's awesome. Congratulations.
Thank you,
enjoy
Tony.
your engage-anniversary. And thank you for sharing all those products with us. Nikia Nichelle, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right.